This is the #1 DTX Smartwatch, budget smartwatch released by No.1. The price is around $23, following the design of the Apple Watch, which is rectangular, but this one is much better compared to the other smartwatches at the same price or even higher. What I like the most is the screen. It's rectangular following the body, not like the other budget smartwatches. Mostly they only have like 80% screen to body ratio. The square LCD screen, and even worse, they have like notch or bezel at the bottom of the screen. But this one has like 90% or more screen to body ratio. It's great. I would say this is like Apple Watch, but of course you can see the difference from the crown. This one has a physical button on the right side. The screen is 1.74-inch LCD screen. They mention this is a Retina display, but I'm not sure. So far it's clear enough for me for outdoor use, and the touchscreen is pretty smooth. They provide two colors, black and silver, and two different choices of strap, the silicone and steel. I got the silicone. IP68 waterproof. I haven't tried this for swimming, but for just hand washing it's still okay. Using Bluetooth 5.0, you can pair it with your Android or iOS devices. The app is Fit Cloud Pro. I don't think this is an official app from the smartwatch company. It's not like it was made exclusively for this smartwatch, but it works just fine. There's a feature where you can remotely control the camera on your phone by shaking your wrist. I'm not doing that again. This smartwatch supports 4 kinds of health monitoring, including ECG, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring. But I don't think it's real, especially for the blood oxygen. Moreover, it's really difficult to do the measuring. It keeps showing not wearing watch. And I have to hold it tight onto my wrist to make it actually works. For the fitness tracker, only some common sports available such as walking, running, and etc. Another useful features are notification reminder. It supports almost all notifications from calls, messages, and social media. The music control, I really like it because it also has a volume control. Some other additional features and anti-loss. Listen to how it sounds when you apply that on an iPhone.
Aha, you find me here. Aha, you find me here. Aha, you find me here.
They provide 2 menu styles which you can change according to your likes: list style and smart style. Also, I like how they put an option for the vibration intensity. The best feature is the preset watch face. They provide lots of watch faces, but you can also upload your picture to be used as the background. Plus is the battery. It has a 260 mAh battery capacity with 7 days of normal usage. I've tried wearing this with all the main features on for a day, and it consumed like 10% of the battery. So, my conclusion, this is a decent smartwatch for its price. I wear this smartwatch for just the smart face actually, because I can create mine, and for the music control. I don't really connect this with my smartphone quite often, so with all the features provided, it's more than enough. That's all from me. Thank you and see you next time.